Welcome. In this video, we will use VBA to use the vote or the yes/no function. The yes/no function allows you to, from a pop-up box, select yes or no. And based on your selection, a action will occur. Let's give it a try. Let's go to our VBA and write our code. This is our code. So what will pop up in the box is question, is today Monday? If you select yes, you will see correct. If you select no, the message box would say wrong. Now let's run our code and give it a try. See, this is our box. Is today Monday? If you select yes, it says correct. Now let's run our code again. If we select no, it says wrong. Now in future videos, so this is a basic VBA code for beginners. In future videos, we will discuss more complex ways to use this feature of VBA. Some of those features, you could enter an actual value, change the value in different cells, things of that sort. So as mentioned, this is a basic feature or basic method of using this feature. Stay tuned for future videos with more complex codes. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment.